So it's the holiday season, and just like every year, we pull out all of our decorations, and half the lights don't work. We got a pile of stuff that needs to be replaced or fixed. And this year, amongst them, we have our Christmas tree topper. Like half the lights don't turn on. So what I'm going to do here real quick is I'm going to replace the lights in here that have to be plugged in with this set of LEDs that runs off this battery pack. Now, luckily for me, my topper just runs off, or just has 3 screws here. Gives us access to where the lights get connected to. So now with those screws out, we can take this apart, and we can see in here. Let me grab something to cut this zip tie with. There we go. So now we can get access in here. We can see that the lights are just clipped in place. So I got a little bit of hot glue that held this in from the last time I had to replace the lights a couple years ago when they didn't burn out. Actually, this had warm lights, so the more yellow colored ones. And my wife wanted to see white lights, so put those in. So I'm going to pull all these out real quick. Now, one thing about this new set of lights I know is that there's only 20 LEDs, and this star has spots for has 21 lights. So I'm gonna have to skip a spot somewhere in here. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start right here. Clip these all in place like so. Alright, well, it may not look super pretty in there, and I went a little crazy with the hot glue in a few places, but I kept touching it in the hot glue before it completely cooled off. So, this is done, this should hang off the bottom here, and I'm gonna go ahead and screw the back on. There we go, and then to keep some strain off of the cable, I'm gonna put a zip tie right here, just to kind of like I had it before, so it'll keep the strain off. So when this hanging down, it won't pull it out. Go ahead and pull it somewhat tug, maximize the length, and throw the zip tie in here. Oh. Little flush cutters. There we go. And oh, you can't really see those. You can't really see those. Let me kill the lights real quick. There we go. Look at that. Very nice. All right, well, there we are. We're going to get at least one more holiday season out of this. Hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know down in the comments if you think this is a worthwhile project. I definitely think for a $2 strand of lights and throwing in some rechargeable batteries, this is well worth it, but I'm curious to know what you think. Have a good one, and happy holidays.